Starting off, I'm just going in with the concealer brush, and it has concealer on it. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut, and that is my cream base, which is going to allow my pigments to show up better. This is the Juvia's Berries palette, and I'm going in with that middle shade right there, and I'm kind of just using this all over my lid. So I'm just going all over my lid, and I'm going to do it until I am happy with the pigment and what I'm trying to go for. Always circular motions, always. Now I'm going in with this purpley shade, and I'm kind of creating that winged out effect. And as y'all can see, I kind of lost that pink, so what you're going to see me do is go in with a brighter pink to really kind of balance out the purple so it's not just so harsh. So yeah, this is definitely a trust the process, because baby, if I didn't have that other eye to show y'all what it looked like for real, I probably would have lost faith too. Yes, just winging her out, winging her out. This is where you would go back in and fix anything that you might see that you messed up on. Add more eyeshadow if need be. Wing it out a little bit more if need be. Diffuse it a little bit more. This is where. Going back in with my concealer, the Too Faced concealer, shade Chestnut, once again. Putting it on my hand, and then I'm going to pick it up with a brush. And as y'all can see, I'm not starting that high, right? And this is because if I mess up, well, I'm going to be bringing it up a little higher, but I want to get the shape down initially so that, it just all flows the way it needs to flow. I want to work smarter, not harder. I don't want to have to mess it up and then have to go back in with eyeshadow. So this is just me, taking my time. This part is probably the most important part, because this is the shape of your look. So you want to try to make sure you can get it as sister-like to the other eye as possible. You see that right there? I messed up a little bit, but this is why I said don't start too high, because you can always, take it up a little further. So I'm going in with my concealer on the end, and I just kind of connected the two to really create that shape. And as y'all can see, the shape is slowly but surely coming together. Cleaning her up a bit. I really ate her up. And I have hooded eyes, so I really do be having to look up, because stuff be hiding in my crease and it be looking neat, but it's really not neat. So yeah, rule of thumb, make sure you're looking in all directions. This is just me, just cleaning her up back in with that concealer brush. I don't know who just walked past, but yeah, get into it. Y'all see it. So I'm going back in with that hot pink that is directly under my eyebrow, and as y'all can see, she's showing up. I'm packing her on. So you want to go in with a packing brush, and initially, sometimes we can get scared and messing up lines that we've created, especially when we've taken our time. But do not be afraid to go to cover that concealer. Do not be afraid to touch that purple. You want a seamless. You don't want to be able to see pink, then the concealer, then the purple. No, we want seamless. So take it up as far as you need to go. Do not be afraid of messing it up, because I was kind of messy and I did not mess it up. So now, because I'm a little extra, I went in with this berry shade to kind of create a little bit more dimension. I wanted it to kind of fade into the pink, which I kind of felt like really did what it needed to do. I did end up going in and adding something else, which you guys will see soon. But as y'all can see, I'm being pretty messy, and she's just blending out. We're not trying to see any concealer. So right now I'm going in. I always go in with a little black. I don't know why, but it just always gives sultry, sexy, like smokes everything out. I felt like it needed a little bit more depth. That's the look that I was going for, so I added it, and I felt like it was the perfect touch that I needed. And as y'all can see, I'm being pretty messy. Do do not worry, because we're gonna go in and clean it up with concealer. So do not be afraid to like lose the shape at the edge. We're gonna clean her up. She's gonna be sharp, promise you. So you're just gonna try to blend her into the pink as best as possible. Now I'm going in with Juvia's Culture 2 palette in this shimmer pink. And I pick it up with my finger because I find it gives better coverage than a brush. And I'm kind of just, you know, putting her all on. And I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. She's coming together. Now, I did notice that the front of my eyeshadows did not match. And I realized it after the fact. Like, it's bugging me now that I'm looking at it. But I really wish I would have went in and fixed the front of my eyeshadow. Here's the concealer, like I was telling you guys. We always gonna give sharp, honey. Don't worry. Don't worry. Always. And y'all, please do not hate me, because I definitely I was all over the place creating this video, creating like 5 different videos in one. So I forgot to do like a montage, an intro, and an outro. So this is my outro, y'all. If you guys do not know me, I am Leah Monet, and I do all things beauty, faith related, lifestyle related. We keep it real, we have fun, we are creative, we like to do makeup and all the things. So if that's what you're into, make sure you give your girl a big thumbs up. Also turn on your post notification bells so you're notified every single time I post, and give your girl a great big subscribe. Show me some love, y'all. Anything you guys want to see, anything you feel like you're struggling with, anything, girl talk videos, whatever, please drop it down below so that we can keep it up. Love you guys so much. Bye.